Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths. Click on view all lessons and start with the chapter solve equations. So, we are already working on the chapter. Let's start with a topic that is solve linear equations word problems. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Let's start with the solve linear equations word problems. Okay, let me go to the topic. Here is the topic solve linear equations word problems. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, a person can pay $18 for a membership of the History Museum and then go to the museum for just $1 per visit. What is the maximum number of visits a per member of the History Museum can make for a total of $14? Got it? You have to make the equation, then you have to solve the equation. Okay, so $18 membership and then go to the museum for a $1 visit. Got it? So it would be $18, then V times 1, and that equals $14. Got it? Because he visited just one, so it would be V times 1. You have to find the value of the V. Just solve the equation. It would be 18 plus V times 1 is V equals V. Just for 18 to the other, it would be 40 minus 18. Got it? V equals 22. That means to make $40, he have to make 22 visits to the museum. Got it? Okay, the next one is Kathleen can bake 6 cookies with each scoop of flour. How many scoops of the flour does Kathleen need in order to bake 42 cookies? Got it? So the equation is 6 cookies with each cup of flour. So it would be 6 times F, and then you have to how many scoops of flour does Kathleen need to in order to bake 42 cookies? So it would be 6F equals 42. Got it? Just find the value of F. You have to divide both sides of the equation by 6. So it would be 6F divided by 6 equals 42 divided by 6. So 6 times what number is 42? 6 times 9 is 6 times 7 is 42. That means 42 cookies can be made by 6 cups of flour. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. 6 times 7 is 42, F is 7. And let's start with the test questions. Okay, a corporate team building event costs $10 plus an additional $1 attendee. $1 per attendee. How many attendees can there be at most if the budget for the corporate team building event is $36? Got it? So just write down the equation and solve the. So the equation is, okay, so the equation is $10 plus $1 per attendee. So it would be 1A and equals 36. Got it? You have to find the value of A. So it would be 1 times A is A, 10 plus A equals 36. So you have to move that 10 to the other side. It would be 36 minus 10. So 36 minus 10 is 26. That means the total attendees must be 26 to make $36. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next one. It would be A equals 26. Okay, Karen has already 7 liters of jam and will jar an additional 6 liters of jam every day. How much jar did Karen jar if she spent 7 days making jam? Got it? So let's just write down the equation first. So it would be 7 liters already. So it would be 7 plus, then you have to do a jar an additional 6 liters of jam every day. Got it? So it would be additional 6 every day. So you have 7 days a week. So every day he have to make 6 liters of jam. So you have to solve it for the j. So it would be 7 plus 6 times 7 is 42. So 42 plus 7 is 49. So j equals 49. That means the total jam is 49. Got it? Okay, Pam already has 22 plants in her backyard. She grows one plant with every seed packet she uses. With 14 seed packets, how many total plants can Pam have in her backyard? Got it? So it would be 22 plus, and the total plants is, and the 14 total packets is 14. So it would be 22 plus P equals 14. Move 14 to the other side, it would be 22 minus 14. So it would be 8. That means with a pack of seed, he can make, wait, let me read the question again. Pam has already 22 plants in her backyard and she can grow one plant with every seed packet she uses. With 14 seed packets, how many total plants can Pam have in her backyard? Okay, you have to find just plants in the backyard. Got it? So it would be 22 already, 22 plants. Then you have 1 times 14 equals P. So it would be p equals 22 plus 14. So it would be 4 plus 2 is 6. It would be 36. That means with one pack he can make 36 plants. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So I'm going to start with the final test of the chapter. So let's start with the final test of the chapter. Just click on the back button. Let's start with the final test of the topic. Okay, is this equation and identity? So you have to look if the equation is identity. So the equation has just one solution. That means the equation is an identity. If an equation is just one solution, that means the equation is an identity. Got it? So that's this equation is identity. Okay, right? Which equation does the set of algebra represent? So you need to find which equation is it. So let's just count. The red tiles always represent the negative number. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 red tiles. So it would represent negative 9x. Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be 18. 6 because all row has 6 ones, so it would be 18. So the equation is negative 9x equal 18. That would be option number C. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which set of algebra tiles represent the equation? Negative 5x plus 22 equals 22. So negative 5x, that means you have 5 tiles for the x. So which one has the 5 tiles? Negative 5x and 2 plus 2. This one is the correct option because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles for negative x. Then you have 2 tiles for 2, and then you have 22. But no, we don't need 22 is a positive number. This one is the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is negative 5. Then you have 2, negative 5x plus 2, and then you have this one is 22. A positive 22. Got it? So option number B is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which set of algebra tile represents the equation 4x plus 4 equals 24? So 4x plus 4 equals 24. Okay, so 4x plus 4. These two option has 4. Let's see which one has 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, they are 24. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, they are 24. So option number B is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is z minus negative 16 z minus 16 z equals 15. So what is the value of r? What is the value of z? It would be z minus 16 z equals 15. So 1 minus 16, you are subtracting a smaller number out of the greater one. That means your answer must have a negative sign. It would be negative 15 z equals 15. Got it? Now you have to find the value of z only. Just divide both sides by. So you have to divide both sides of the equation by 15. So it would be z equals negative 1. Got it? So the negative 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, solve for u. Negative 3u plus 9 equals 6u. Negative 3u plus 6 equals 9. Move that negative, let me, I think I haven't negative 3u minus plus 9, 9u. Okay, move that 9u to the other side and 6 to the other side. They basically, first of all, you have to collect the like terms. Got it? So you have to just move that negative 3u to the other side. It would be 9u minus 3u. Sorry. Move that negative u to 3u to the other side. It would be then added. So it is 6 equals 12u, and u equals 6 over 12. So it would be 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. So u equals 1 over 2. It would be 1 over 2. 6u plus 3u is, it is 6u, sorry. It would be 6u. So 6u and plus 3u makes 9u. It is 9. So you have to divide both sides by 9. So it would be u. Oh, what happened? Minus 3u plus 9 equals. It would be then u equals 1. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 7 minus 2s equals 1. 7 minus 2s equals 1. Move that 7 to the other side, it would be negative 2s equals 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So you have to remove, both the signs can cancel out each other, so s equals 6. Got it? 7 minus 2s equals 1. Oh, I forgot the 2. You have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So it would be 2 times 3 is 6. So s equals negative 3. S equals 3 because both the signs cancel out each other. So it would be s equals 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is s by 2 minus 1 equals 2. S over 2 minus 1 equals 2. Okay, move that negative 1 to the other side. It would be then added 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So s over 2 equals 3. So s equals 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. So we have completed this chapter. So the next chapter is single variable inequalities. Ne- Single variable inequalities. And the topic we're going to start with is identify solutions to inequalities. That is the chapter name. And the lesson name is Identify Solutions to Inequalities. Okay, let's start with the topic Identify Solutions to Inequalities. The chapter name is Single Variable Inequalities. Okay, let's start with the first topic, that is Identify Solutions to Inequalities. Let's start with the topic. Okay. Mm, so, which or of the following is a solution of the inequality below? Select all that apply, but you are not given with the choices. Let's start with the test because you have. Okay, which of the following solution of the inequality below? X is less than equal to 3. Okay, X is less than equal to 3. So we need to find. Okay, X is less than equal to 3. You have to find which of the following is the solution of the inequality. Got it? So you are given four of the options. Let's just check with three. First one is X equals 3, 5, 11, and 7. 3, 5, 11, and 7. Let's check with 3. 3 is less than 3. Is it true? Less than equal to 3. Is it true? Yes, true. Not 3 is not less than 3 but equals to 3. It is true. Got it? 5 is less than equal to 3. Is it true or false? It is false because 5 is greater than 3. Got it? It is false. Same is the case for 11. 11 is less than equal to 3. No. 7 is less than equal to 3. No. That means just one of the option is the correct one, the very first option. Got it? So the solution of the inequality is the first one, x equals 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is negative 10 less than d. Negative 10 is less than d. So the options you are given are negative 9, negative 3, negative 1, negative 5. So negative 9, negative 3, negative 1, negative 5. So you have to find which of the option is the correct one. Got it? Let's check with the negative 9. Replace the d with negative 10 is less than negative 9. Yes, because negative on the negative side, as you are moving far from 0, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. Got it? The next number, negative 5, is less than negative 4. So all the numbers are before the negative 9 on the number line. You can just see here you have negative 5, here you have negative 3, negative 1. And here the negative 10 is so far. So that means all the numbers are the less than 10 is less than all the numbers. Got it? So the solution is all of the above. Okay, the next one is negative 4 is less than j. So which option is the correct one? Negative 4 is less than j. So which option is the correct one? Negative 4. The first option is negative 4. Negative 4 is less than negative 4? No. Just check for the second one. Negative 4 is less than negative 3? Yes, negative 4 is less than negative 3. The other two numbers are Okay, 6 is g equals 3. If g equals 3 is the solution of inequality below. 6 is less than g. 6 is less than 3 actually. So 6 is less than g? No. 6 is not less than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is negative 8 is less than equal to c. So negative 8 is less than equal to, the solution is, it is c equals negative 8. 8, the equation is c, a negative 8 is less than equal to 3, and the values are negative 6, negative 2, negative 8, negative 7. Let's check with this one. Negative 8 is less than negative 6. No, because as you are moving far from 0, you are getting greater and greater. Got it? So negative 8 is less than equal to negative 2. Answer is no. So negative 8 is less than equal to equal to 8. Yes, they are equal. Not less, but equal. So the solution is negative 8. Got it? Oh, negative 8 is less than. Oh, yes, all the numbers are smaller than negative 8. Sorry, sorry. It will be negative 6, negative 2, negative 8, and negative 7. All the numbers are less than negative 8. So the solution is all of the above. Got it? So let's move on to the next one. So the next one is u is greater than negative 9. Okay, u is greater than negative 9. Negative 2, negative 5, negative 3, negative 4, all of the above. All the numbers are greater than negative 9. Got it? Okay, is q equals negative 10 is a solution of the inequality? Negative 10 is greater than negative 3. Okay, q is greater than equal to negative 3. 10 is negative 10 is greater than negative 3. No, negative 10 is less than negative 3. Got it? Because on the negative side, as you are moving far from 0, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. Got it? Okay, 9 is less than g. So it would be 9 is less than g. 9 is less than 11. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is graph inequalities. Graph inequalities. Okay, let's start with an example. Okay, x is less than negative 7. You have to plot the graph. X is less than equal to or less than equal to negative 7. So you have to plot the line on the number line. You have 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Okay, you have 2x is less than negative 7. So less than means you have to start from here, and on this side all the numbers are smaller than negative 7. Got it? Because all the numbers before negative 7 are greater than negative 7. Got it? Only the numbers that comes after the negative 7 are smaller than negative 7. Got it? So the graph, it looks like, let me do it with the red pen so that it would be this is the graph. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, x is less than 1. So less than 1, that means you are on the right side of the 1 or the left side of the 1. Right, on the right hand side of the 1, the numbers are getting greater and greater, isn't it? So on the left hand side, you have all the numbers that are less than 1. Got it? So the correct option is left of 1. Okay, the next one is x is greater than equal to 2. Greater numbers are always on the right hand side and the smaller numbers are always on the left hand side. So x is greater than 2. That means shade to the right of 2. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, x is greater than equal to negative 7. So which numbers are greater than negative 7? X is greater than equal to negative 7. So all the numbers that are on the right hand side of the negative 7 are greater than negative 7. So it would be shade from negative 7 to the right. Got it? Okay, x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. So all the numbers that are on the right side of the 3 are greater than 3. So it would be shade from 3 to the right. Okay, x is greater than 4. So then greater numbers are always on the x is greater than 4. So that means you are on the right hand side of the 4. Got it? Shade to the right of the 4. Because all the numbers that are on the right hand side of the 4 is greater than 4. Got it? Okay. X is less than equal to 7. So less than equal to 7 means you are on the left hand side of the 7. So shade from 7 to the left. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, x is greater than 1, so the greater numbers are always on the x is greater than 1. That means the greater numbers are always on the right hand side. So it would be shade from right to the 1. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, x is less than equal to 5. So the smaller numbers are always on the left hand side of the number. X is less than equal to 5, so it would be, it is on the left side of the 5. Got it? Because smaller numbers are always on the left hand side. X is greater than negative 5. So which option is the correct one? X is greater than negative 5. So which numbers are greater than negative 5? This is at the right hand side of the 5. Or greater numbers are always on the right hand side. Okay, x is less than equal to negative 7. That would be the left hand side of the negative 7. Got it? Okay, so we have completed the test. So we have covered 4 of the topics today. They are 2 of them are from the chapter solve equations. They are solve linear equation word problems. Then we did the final test. We have started the new chapter, that is identify single variable inequalities, and we have done 2 of the topics. They are identify solutions to inequalities and graph inequalities. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. If you need more help with any of the topic, any question, any question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. If you find the session helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you, everyone. Bye.